Okay. The tensioner is not releasing when you lift the presser foot up. That means that this lever here that lever is not pushing this button the way it should, because when the presser foot is up and I'm lifting it even higher, it's not pushing in, but I can reach in here and lift that lever up and it does push and let the pressure off the tensioner. So I'm going to pop this lever out and bend it. That screw, and then this should be able to pop this out of here. Okay. I'm gonna grab a magnet and see if I can pull that out with a magnet, and then I will show you how I'm bending it. Okay, this piece is out. So this part here, we're just going to bend it forward a little bit. I'm going to go grab a pliers and give that a little bend. Okay, the tiniest bend in that so that it's tipped forward. We'll reinstall it and see if it works. Okay, so this lever that's moving is the presser foot lifter, and you can see in here is a button, and that button is what lifts that lever to release the tension. And so I have to get this the finger you can barely see in there. That is the back of this lever to go on top of that button. But for this shot, I'm busy holding the lid out of the way so that you can see. So I'm going to get that back together, and we'll see if my little bend was correct. Okay, that little bend worked. You can see the pin is sticking out from behind the tensioner, and now when I lift the presser foot, it pushes the pin in and releases the pressure on the tensioner. And this is a pretty good design because you can lift the presser bar and it doesn't move that piece. So we are now getting tension release as we should. So I think we'll be ready to do more testing, stitch testing, and this is probably ready to go.